Katie Morgan Lousky, and I am the founder of Cherished Friends of Ahava, and I'm the owner of Ahava Spa and Wellness Center. I really wanted to do something in our community that supported people that were newly diagnosed, currently in treatment for cancer treatments. And so as I started to work towards that goal, the current salon that I worked at was not able to house a nonprofit inside of it. So I actually had to create a for-profit business that we could house a nonprofit business inside. And so that's how Cherished Friends of Ahava got started. We've been here since 2004. We actually got our nonprofit status in 2003. We opened the doors in September of 2004. We're not surprised, they're surprised at how much they like it. They love it. They love it. They really actually do come and enjoy it. About 10% of our population has been men, and they have always really loved it once they've gotten here. So it's been actually really exciting to see them also see the benefit of it. I will tell you that our program is a very tailored program, and it's a very small program, okay? But it is a full day. And the reason why you need that full day is a lot of times when they first come in, they're actually so afraid of touch because of what they've gone through with their treatment that we have to reintroduce good touch to them. And so we need it to be several treatments built onto each other for them to truly be able to relax and let go of what they've been through and start embracing that they have hope and that they have that this is the beginning of the rest of their life, and that it actually gives them an inspiration to fight harder to get well. Probably one that was the most aha moment early on was she was actually a nurse, and she was diagnosed with end-stage colon rectal cancer, and her treatment was pretty brutal. And this was, we're talking 2004. It really took away her privacy. And so one of the things that she shared with us afterwards, she said she really felt like the whole entire program was designed to give her back her dignity. The way that we're trained in the spa industry, we never invade their privacy. We do draping, we do ways of getting them disrobed without ever seeing their bodies. And so because of that, she felt that she was able to get her dignity back because she had her privacy, and we didn't need to keep taking away her rights to have her privacy. She was tired of sharing her body with everybody else, and she just wanted her own privacy. And we didn't even realize that that would be something that they would really need. And so it was one of those aha moments for me, and then it made me realize how much it must be hard to share your body with during treatment with other people, and lose your rights to have your privacy. We're currently able to see 4 to 5 guests a week, and we're just looking for people that we can serve. You would go on cherishedfriends.information that will say paperwork. Download it, fill out the paperwork, and then send it back in. They also can get the paperwork at a lot of the oncology centers have our paperwork, so they can also get it that way too. It's my purpose. Truly the reason why I'm here is I'm living my purpose. I was really lucky to find what I was supposed to do with my life, and I just know that this is what I'm supposed to be doing. It's the reason I get up in the morning. It's the reason why I battle through the hurdles of being a business owner, is because I really, really want to serve our community in this way. I consider it a real privilege to be able to serve in this way.